Hello everyone, welcome to Arm Pilates. Let's start by practicing the Pilates obliques. So hands behind the head, bend your knees, slowly draw the knees up over your hips, nod your head, flex your neck comfortably, elbows away from the face. Then we start twisting the upper trunk slowly and not squeezing the shoulders. More important, the lower back is kissing the mat. If you're comfortable, lower one leg down 45 degrees and we twist towards the opposite knee. And from here you can exhale on one side, inhale back to center and exhale to the opposite side. So doing this mindfully, aware that we're not squeezing or over flexing the neck. And slowly release the head down and release the palms down beside the hips. Lower one foot down, lower the other foot down and relax. Next, let's practice the obliques roll back. So we sit comfortably with the knees bent. If you have a yoga board, please place it between your knees. This will help to stabilize the knees. Now keep your arms rounded, sitting tall, chin parallel to the floor. Inhale. As we exhale, we roll back into the C curve. Inhale here, exhale, twist to one side without squeezing the shoulders. Inhale center, exhale to the opposite side, working your obliques. And slowly flex forward and coming back to neutral position. Inhale. Now exhale as we roll back this time if we can. So move the hands away from each other. Coming back into the rounded arm position and slowly to the opposite side, not squeezing the shoulders, not flattening the back, and sitting tall in neutral. So reminder, we can go lower if you're stronger, and slowly coming back up. Sitting tall back to neutral. Remember to initiate the C curve for rounding the lower back. And you come back to center, lengthen through the crown, so relax the arms and relax.